episode 176 of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we are looking at how to trade using pivot points. Pivot points, as you know, are one of my favorite trade setups. This is a really easy to identify trade setup because these lines are placed on the charts for us. So let's go on to the charts and look at how we trade using a pivot point. Here we are looking at a pivot point trade setup. This is pound US dollar 1 hour chart. In a pivot point trade setup, we are looking for a reversal pattern to be found at one of the pivot point levels. So in this case, as we can see, price has been coming down. And then once we get into this S1 level here, price gives us a reversal signal. So we have railroad tracks that are found right on our S1. And this level is also our previous support and resistance level. So the combination of those gives us a good probability of the price moving higher from here on. So once we see this bullish engulfing candle here or the railroad tracks here, we can enter our trade long. Our stop would go below the pin here, making sure there is enough room for trade to breathe. So we stay with the trade for as long as price is moving higher. But as we can see here, price has started to go sideways. So this is a good time to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 96 pips in the trade. So just to recap, in a pivot point trade setup, we are looking for a reversal pattern to be found at one of the pivot point levels. In this case, we see that price comes into this S1 level and then gives us the railroad tracks reversal setup here. Once we see this setup, we enter the trade long, stop goes below the pin here, and we stay with the trade as long as price moves higher. And once, as we can see, price comes into this R1 level here, which is our resistance level, price starts to go sideways. So this is a good time for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 96 pips in the trade. So our profit is 96 pips or $960 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this episode, please feel free to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.